With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is, early atmosphere contained methane and other hydrocarbons. They have been now replaced by, and the options are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide or hydrogen. So if we talk about the early atmosphere on Earth, the early atmosphere was basically of reducing nature, right? It was reducing in nature, and there was no oxygen. The most important point of consideration is that there was no oxygen, and there were water vapors. That means water could be found. There were water vapors. Then there was methane along with ammonia and carbon monoxide, right? And the was high temperature was high and the volcanic eruptions were frequent. Volcanic eruptions, they were very frequent. Now, due to absence of oxygen, chemical reaction occurred between the hydrogen and carbon, right? Due to absence of oxygen, it led to the chemical reaction between hydrogen and carbon, and it led to the formation of methane and other hydrocarbons, right? Methane and other hydrocarbons were produced as a result. But later what happened? Later, when photoautotrophs appeared. Photoautotrophs means the organisms which could produce their own food by the usage of light, right? Producing food by using light, which was basically what? Sunlight, right? So this procedure, they used carbon as well as water. This was their main compound which they used to produce food, and this led to the formation of oxygen. That means oxygen, it was released into the atmosphere. Earlier, where there was no oxygen, now the atmosphere, it had oxygen, right? And this oxygen, it led to the formation of carbon dioxide. The methane and other hydrocarbons which were earlier present in case of the reducing atmosphere, they then changed into carbon dioxide. Even today, these compounds are present in the atmosphere, but they are very less in amount. They are present in very less amount. But majorly, due to the presence of oxygen, these compounds, they converted into carbon dioxide. So our answer would be that now in today's atmosphere, these compounds like methane and hydrocarbons, they have been replaced by carbon dioxide. Option C is the right answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.